like, who you know that's RMG but unashamed until he die? Who you know that talk about God and still I rap your Travis guy? Who do you know that could care less about how much money you making, cause that don't impress him? Who do you know that know he ain't supposed to be here, so tomorrow he counting his blessings? Who do you know that gon' stick clear of people that stay in some drama cause they looking messy? Who do you know that keep reeling the message? Who you know, who you know, who you know, who you know? Who you know? Who you know?